Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can go and withdraw dogs from your regular Telegram wallet to Binance. Now to do this, the steps are really simple. Just make sure to follow all the steps I will show you guys in this video. Now open up Telegram wallet and select dogs here. Now once you're here, we'll go and hit send. Now here we'll go and select external wallet. Now here, select the network as tone. We're gonna need the dog's address from Binance. To do that, we'll simply go and open up Binance app. And once we're here, we'll go to wallets in the bottom right. Click on the bottom right. And here, go to spot. Just like that, go to spot and hit deposit. Now here we will go and search dogs. Search dogs and select dogs. Here we'll get the select network as Coin. Now here we'll get the memo code and the address we're gonna need to withdraw our dogs from Telegram wallet. Now copy the address and paste it in your Telegram wallet. Now you're gonna need the memo code as well. Copy the address and paste it here. I'm showing you an example of USDT because the process is same for every other coin. Now here, after typing in the values you want to send, you can hit continue. Here I will just show you an example. Hit continue, and here you need the memo code. Now as you guys can see, we'll go and copy our memo code and paste it here. That's how quickly you can go and do this process. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. If you're new to the channel, do consider subscribing to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.